Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10-line essay on organ donation. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is organ donation is a noble act that has the power to transform lives. Second line is it is a selfless act that involves giving one's organs to save the lives of others. Third line is it offers a second chance at life to those suffering from organ failure. Fourth line is it can significantly improve the quality of life for recipients. Fifth line is it can save them from life threatening situations. Sixth line is it is a remarkable way to leave a lasting impact even after one's passing. Seventh line is the shortage of organs for transplantation is a critical issue. Eighth line is by becoming a donor, one can make a significant impact in addressing the challenge. Ninth line is awareness campaigns can encourage more individuals to choose this noble path. Last line is it stands as a testament to human kindness.